Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you how to boost or speed your Google Chrome. I will show you one or two or three steps. I will show you one by one. First you go to the three dots here and click the settings option. In the left hand side, privacy and security, and scroll down, select security option is there. Click this and scroll down. Here you will get one use secure DNS option is there. Click this, and here OS default when available option is there. Here you need to select the Google public DNS, otherwise Cloudflare, whichever you want. You can use this. The both are the best one. You can try both of the DNS and see whichever is better. In my case I will select Google public DNS and scroll down, close it, and then the next step is open again Google Chrome here, and then here need to type Chrome, and type flags, enter. Here you need to select the parallel download option. By default, parallel downloading, it should be the default, it should be enabled, and this will definitely increase the performance of your Google Chrome. Okay, and then close it. And the third option is go to the open again Google Chrome, and then here select three dots and go to the settings. In the left hand side, click the system. Here one option is there, continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. It should be off, it should be turned off. And use graphics acceleration, show system notification, it should be, everything is okay. And continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed, it should be off. And the last option is scroll down here, select the extensions. Here don't use more extensions, remove if it is not usable. It should be in the clean window. That's it. After this, try to restart your system, then you can check your Google Chrome will be more better than the previous. Okay, thank you.